Peace Evolution. What we offer. Peace Evolution is a safe place where we encourage you to be true to yourself. Being true to yourself automatically disrupts natural selection and survival of the fittest, so it becomes inclusive of everyone and everything. Being true to yourself addresses the root cause and not the symptom of why natural selection and survival of the fittest is at the cost of everyone and everything. We create awareness by offering the following courses: Harmonious Human Behavior. By living with integrity, you are being true to yourself. Creating Healthy Relationships. Your relationship with yourself sets the tone for your life. Creating a Healthy Lifestyle. Your body responds well when you treat it well. Liking How You Make Money. Making money from liking what you do is being true to yourself. Creating an eco-friendly lifestyle. Sustain an eco-friendly lifestyle to save planet Earth. Thank you. Contact me now with any questions. peaceevolution.com